From major strides in urban infrastructure and connectivity to cultural traditions that continue to shape the state's identity, from grassroots initiatives in education to national level collaborations and dialogue, here's a look at stories that are driving change and defining momentum across Maharashtra this week. This is Maharashtra 360. A major boost to Mumbai's urban mobility as Chief Minister Fadnavis, along with Deputy CMs Eknath Shinde and Sunetra Pawar, inaugurated the first phase of the Metro Line 2B in Mumbai. The Chief Minister said the government is committed to building the most accessible and integrated transport system in the country. The event also marked the e-groundbreaking of the Pod Taxi project that is aimed at strengthening last-mile connectivity and easing congestion in key business districts.
तर 59 मिनिटांमध्ये MMR रिजनच्या कुठल्याही भागातनं कुठल्याही भागात जाता आलं पाहिजे अशा प्रकारची इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर आणि पब्लिक ट्रान्सपोर्टची व्यवस्था त्यातला एक एक टप्पा आता आपण पूर्ण करतो. आपण जर बघितलं तर एकूण 337 किलोमीटरची मेट्रो याचं काम पूर्ण झाल्यानंतर जवळपास पूर्ण MMR रिजन आपण कनेक्ट करू. त्यामुळे अतिशय गतिशीलतेने लोकांना जाता येईल.
The first phase of the Metro Line 2B spans around 5.6 kilometers with 5 stations now operational. The corridor that will enable seamless east-west and north-south connectivity, integrating with multiple transport systems. The project that features IGBC Platinum-rated stations and a large double-decker depot at Mandale. It is also a part of the larger 337-kilometer metro network aimed at handling millions of daily commuters. Alongside Pod Taxi project, it will provide automated last-mile connectivity with 100 to 150 meters of destinations. Now, the system that is also being developed on a bot model with a targeted completion timeline of 20 months. A major milestone for Mumbai's infrastructure push as Chief Minister Fadnavis, along with Deputy CMs Eknath Shinde and Sunetra Pawar, inaugurated the tunnel boring machine Nayak for the Thane-Borivali Twin Tunnel project. Calling it as an engineering marvel, the Chief Minister said the launch marks as the beginning of a large-scale tunneling work that will transform connectivity across MMR region. The twin tunnels will span around 10 kilometers, reducing travel time between Thane and Borivali to around 15 minutes. The design that includes multiple lanes with dedicated emergency corridors and advanced safety systems, as the tunnel will pass beneath the Sanjay Gandhi National Park using eco-sensitive construction methods. Environmental measures including large-scale tree plantation and with multiple TBMs deployed and all approvals in place, the project is targeted for completion by 2028. A major step towards transforming rural education in Maharashtra as Chief Minister Fadnavis inaugurated the Jyoti Savitri Zilla Parishad School in Khanwadi. As the Chief Minister said that this initiative will bring modern high-quality education to rural students. He's highlighted that the CBSE pattern school reflects state's commitment in bridging the gap between urban and rural education while carrying forward the legacy of Mahatma Jyotiba Phule. As the Jyoti Savitri School is Maharashtra's first CBSE-affiliated Zilla Parishad institution that offers education from KG to class 12. Built on 12-acre campus, it is designed to provide free and high-quality education to underprivileged students. The school features digital classrooms, science and computer labs, library and sports infrastructure. Students will receive meals, uniforms and transport support, and a residential facility is also being planned from class 6 with capacity up to expandable till 2,000 students. Now, developed under a PPP and a CSR model, this initiative aims to bring national-level education standards to rural Maharashtra. The National Public Relations Conference 2026, organized by the Government of Maharashtra's Directorate General of Information and Public Relations, was held in the national capital. Brijesh Singh, who is the Principal Secretary of Information and Public Relations, highlighted the need for strategic and technology-driven communication. The conference served as a national platform to strengthen public communication systems across states. Discussions focused on transparent and citizen-centric messaging to improve outreach. Digital and social media strategies were highlighted as key tools for wider dissemination. A spiritual gathering marked by devotion and tradition in Beed as Chief Minister Fadnavis attended the 94th Narli Saptah at the Sri Kshetra Gahini Nath Gad. As the Chief Minister highlighted the deeply religious significance of Sant Gahininath Maharaj that praised the disciplined organization of the event. He has also reiterated the government's commitment to overall development of the sacred site. The Narali Saptah initiated by Sant Vaman Bhav Maharaj continues to be a major spiritual event reflecting the legacy of the Nath Sampradaya. Now, the Chief Minister noted remarkable discipline and long-term planning of the Ayojan with schedules that are already mapped till 2039. Those were the updates that could pack for you on this segment of Maharashtra 360.